What happens to your body if you drink cucumber juice every day?
Did you know that cucumbers contain more water per serving than watermelon? What if I told you that cucumbers belong to the same plant family as melons and squash, and like their cousins, they're technically a fruit, not a vegetable? Cucumbers contain most of the vitamins your body needs daily, including vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, folic acid, and vitamin C, plus essential minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Surprised? Wait till you discover the incredible health benefits of cucumber. Keep watching because we'll give you 7 reasons to drink cucumber juice every day. Plus, don't miss the fantastic cucumber juice recipe we'll share at the end. Cucumbers, which originally come from India, are one of the oldest vegetables we know of.
Archaeological digs have shown that people have been growing cucumbers for food for over 3,000 years.
In Ayurvedic medicine, cucumber is prized as a cooling food that balances the body's heat and inflammation. For centuries, practitioners have applied cucumber fruit and juice to soothe sunburns, hydrate skin, and tone its appearance. That popular spa trick of placing cucumber slices over your eyes? It comes straight from Ayurveda, where cucumber is also valued for supporting digestion, kidney health, and calming the mind. Western medicine took a different approach. Cucumber seeds were once used to expel intestinal parasites, much like pumpkin seeds, while the fruit itself served as a diuretic and an ingredient in ointments and perfumes. Cucumber's reputation took a hit in the late 1600s and early 1700s, when a widespread fear of raw vegetables in England and America led people to blame uncooked cucumbers for causing illness, especially in children. Fortunately, this myth had disappeared by the 1800s. Today, cucumber extract is a staple in cosmetics as a skin conditioning agent. Scientists are now backing up cucumber's health reputation, finding that it can improve everything from skin health to cardiovascular support. What makes cucumber so nutritious? Cucumbers are surprisingly nutritious, despite being about 95% water. Their high water content makes them incredibly hydrating, while being very low in calories, with only about 16 calories per cup. This makes them excellent for weight management and staying hydrated. Cucumbers provide several important nutrients, including vitamin K for bone health, vitamin C for immune support, and potassium for heart function. They also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids that help fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. The peel is especially nutrient-rich, so it's best to eat cucumbers unpeeled when possible. Now that you're familiarized with this superfood, and if all the reasons so far haven't convinced you, here are 7 reasons to drink cucumber juice daily. Get ready to discover all the cucumber juice benefits for your overall health. 1. Beneficial for skin health. Cucumbers are packed with water, vitamin C, and vitamin A, nutrients that work together to calm and soothe the skin while reducing irritation and inflammation. This natural combination makes cucumbers particularly beneficial for skin health. These cooling and anti-inflammatory properties explain why cucumbers have been a popular home remedy for generations. People commonly apply them directly to the skin to help with acne breakouts and soothe sunburned skin, taking advantage of their natural ability to reduce swelling and provide relief. 2. Cucumbers can help keep your bowel movements regular. Dehydration is a common cause of constipation because it disrupts your body's water balance and makes it harder to pass stool. With their high water content, cucumbers help keep you hydrated, which can improve stool consistency, prevent constipation, and support regular bowel movements. Cucumbers also provide dietary fiber, which plays a key role in regulating digestion. They contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can increase bowel movement frequency. A 2014 study of 80 participants found that pectin supplementation helped speed up intestinal movement while also nourishing beneficial gut bacteria that support overall digestive health. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Cucumbers are rich in cucurbitacin B, a plant compound that researchers are studying for its promising effects against cancer. Scientific reviews indicate this compound may help inhibit the development of various cancers, including those affecting the liver, breast, lungs, and prostate, potentially by interfering with tumor growth and eliminating harmful cells. The skin of cucumbers offers additional protective benefits you won't want to miss. It provides dietary fiber that supports colon health by promoting regular digestion and may lower the risk of colorectal cancer. This is another good reason to enjoy your cucumbers unpeeled whenever possible. 4. Supports heart health. Cucumbers support cardiovascular health in several important ways. They're naturally high in potassium and low in sodium, a combination that helps manage blood pressure. Potassium works by counteracting sodium's effects, which can help prevent or reduce high blood pressure. Beyond blood pressure control, cucumbers offer additional heart protection. The cucurbitacin B found in cucumbers may help combat atherosclerosis, the dangerous accumulation of fatty deposits on artery walls that can lead to heart disease. The fiber in cucumbers also plays a role by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Studies have demonstrated that adequate fiber intake is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, making cucumbers a simple yet effective choice for heart health. 5. Keeps you hydrated. Adults typically need around 3 quarts or 12 cups of water each day to maintain proper bodily functions. Interestingly, about a quarter of this daily water intake comes from the foods we consume rather than beverages alone. Cucumbers are an exceptional source of dietary hydration since they consist of approximately 96% water, making them one of the most water-rich foods available. Adequate hydration is crucial for your overall health because every cell in your body requires sufficient water to carry out its essential functions. Water helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, remove waste, cushion joints, and support virtually every system in your body. When you don't get enough water, dehydration sets in and can cause symptoms like dizziness, fatigue, headaches, and nausea. 6. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Scientific research indicates that cucumbers might help regulate glucose levels and reduce complications associated with diabetes, although most findings are based on laboratory experiments and animal trials. A 2010 study involving diabetic mice showed that extract from cucumber skin helped reverse several metabolic changes linked to the disease and contributed to decreased glucose concentrations. Another laboratory investigation from 2016 demonstrated that cucumbers could potentially reduce harmful oxidative damage connected to diabetic health issues. However, it's worth noting that these results come exclusively from test tube experiments and animal research. Additional clinical trials with human subjects are necessary to determine whether cucumbers provide similar therapeutic benefits for blood sugar management in people. 7. Promotes healthy bones. Cucumbers are packed with vitamin K, which is super important for keeping your bones healthy. Getting enough vitamin K can help prevent fractures and support strong bone density. If your bone mineral density is low, you're at a higher risk for osteoporosis, so this nutrient is key. Plus, the combination of vitamin K and calcium in cucumbers boosts the benefits for your bones. Vitamin K helps your body absorb calcium better, and calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong, resilient bones throughout your life. What is the best way to consume cucumber? Cucumbers are wonderfully versatile with a mild flavor that works in countless dishes. They're also budget-friendly and available all year long. Here are some simple ways to enjoy more cucumbers. You can slice them into salads, sandwiches, and wraps for extra crunch, or blend them into smoothies where they add nutrition without overwhelming other flavors. Their crisp texture makes them perfect for dipping into hummus, salad dressing, or your favorite spreads. Try making cucumber juice by blending peeled cucumbers with water and straining the mixture, or simply wash and eat them raw with the skin on for maximum benefits. You can even use cucumber slices as a base for toppings like vegetables or cream cheese, treating them like healthy crackers. For storage, keep whole cucumbers washed and dried in the warmer section of your refrigerator, like the door or front shelf, where they'll stay fresh for up to a week. If you've already sliced them, store the pieces in a covered container of water in the fridge to maintain their crispness. With so many easy ways to enjoy them, it's time to rediscover this humble vegetable and all the health benefits it offers. Are cucumbers safe for everyone? Cucumbers are generally safe to eat, but there are some potential risks to be aware of. Some cucumbers are treated with wax coatings that can potentially harbor salmonella bacteria for up to a week, which could lead to food poisoning. Washing cucumbers thoroughly before eating can help reduce this risk. Another concern is oral allergy syndrome, which affects people with certain seasonal allergies. If you're allergic to ragweed, you might experience an allergic reaction when eating cucumbers. This happens because proteins in cucumbers can be similar to those found in ragweed pollen, causing your immune system to react. Symptoms are usually mild and localized to the mouth and throat. Avoid cucumbers if you're allergic to them or if they trigger digestive issues, particularly if you have conditions like IBS. Pay attention to how your body reacts and avoid foods that cause uncomfortable symptoms. Easy cucumber juice recipe to drink every day. This simple 4-ingredient beverage combines cool cucumber with zesty ginger for a refreshing drink with a pleasant spicy note. Ingredients: 1 English cucumber, cut into chunks. 4 teaspoons fresh grated ginger root. 1½ tablespoon. Honey, if desired. And 1 cup chilled filtered water. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender and process until completely smooth. Set a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and pour the blended mixture through it. Use a spoon to press down on the solids to release as much liquid as you can. Remove and discard the pulp. If you prefer an even smoother juice, strain a second time. Divide between 1 large glass or 2 smaller ones. Serve immediately or refrigerate until cold. Now, we'd love to know if you are already familiar with cucumber and its benefits and how you consume it. Share your experience with us in the comments. We love hearing your experiences. Just a friendly reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to check in with your doctor about any health concerns.
If you find this video helpful, type yes and hit that like button.
Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Also, watch the recommended videos that are popping up on your screen right now. Take care. Until the next video, bye.